Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Have you ever looked at fallen leaves and twigs and seen a masterpiece waiting to happen? Today, we are transforming those simple backyard clippings into stunning sunlit wall art. Get ready to discover 13 incredibly easy and gorgeous natural craft projects that will breathe new life into your garden walls. Welcome to our first project, where we capture the essence of a sunlit garden inside floating botanical glass frames. By taking vibrant pressed ferns and slender birch twigs, we create a beautiful suspension between two clear panes. It is incredibly simple to assemble, yet the final result looks wonderfully sophisticated against any wall. The natural daylight filters right through the glass, casting a gentle organic shadow that truly makes your beautiful pressed foliage feel alive again. Next up is the Twig Lattice Leaf Tapestry, a stunning piece that weaves nature directly into your home decor. We start by tying dried willow twigs together with rustic jute twine to form a sturdy square grid. Then, we carefully thread brilliantly colored pressed maple leaves through the open spaces. This creates a gorgeous, natural fabric effect that celebrates the bright hues of the outdoors. It is a striking visual statement that beautifully embraces seasonal garden textures. For a touch of miniature woodland magic, let us build a shadow box moss and branch silhouette. We take a weathered oak twig and mount it inside a shallow wooden frame to resemble a tiny, majestic tree. Surrounding the base with lush preserved moss and delicate floating petals adds a vibrant burst of color. This three-dimensional art piece brings a calm, quiet piece of the forest right into your living space, capturing perfect miniature organic details. Our fourth project introduces the charming woven twig sconce with leaf accents. By bending and weaving flexible, thin branches, we craft a rustic semi-circle pocket that sits completely flush against your wall. Tucked neatly inside this natural basket is a vibrant cluster of pressed eucalyptus and colorful autumn leaves. It acts as a beautiful permanent floral arrangement that requires absolutely no watering, offering a lovely pop of natural color and texture to your outdoor spaces. Moving on, we have these beautiful geometric twig stars featuring center leaf mandalas. Using uniform upcycled twigs, we construct crisp star shapes bound tightly together. The true magic happens when we place a perfectly symmetrical pressed Bodhi leaf right in the middle. The contrast between the raw, rough bark of the twigs and the incredibly delicate, intricate veins of the focal leaf creates a mesmerizing balance. It is a fantastic way to display perfect natural geometry. Let us create something truly elegant with our pressed leaf feather wall hanging. We meticulously attach long, slender, and colorful leaves to very thin twigs, perfectly mimicking the delicate look of bird feathers. Suspending these botanical feathers at varying heights from a sturdy horizontal branch creates a wonderful sense of movement. As the gentle breeze catches them, they sway softly, offering a beautiful rustic display that highlights the rich, earthy pigments found right in your backyard. If you love deep textures, you will adore these rustic bark and leaf collage panels. We use a large, flat piece of naturally fallen pine bark as our rugged canvas. Right in the center, we mount a single, breathtakingly colorful pressed wildflower or vivid green fern. The extreme contrast between the jagged, dark grooves of the tree bark and the smooth, delicate flatness of the pressed floral elements results in a striking, highly textured masterpiece. Project number 8 is the stunning twig-framed leaf skeleton trio. We craft 3 identical small square frames using deeply textured dark branches. Inside each frame, we display a delicate translucent leaf skeleton, revealing the incredibly fine, intricate mesh of its natural veins. Hung together in a precise vertical row, this project offers a highly sophisticated, minimalist botanical aesthetic. It is a wonderful way to showcase the hidden, ghostly architecture of nature in a modern style. Get ready to play with patterns in our mud cloth-inspired leaf print arrangement. We arrange tiny, colorful pressed leaves onto a smooth, light-colored wooden board, forming a precise, repeating geometric tribal pattern. To elevate the design, we glue incredibly small, detailed cross-sections of cut twigs at the pattern intersections. This adds a fantastic three-dimensional pop of raw woody texture against the flat, vibrant botanical leaves, creating a truly eye-catching, unique artwork. Let your creativity spin with this mesmerizing spiral twig nest wall art. We take extremely flexible vines and raw twigs, tightly coiling them into an intricate, hypnotic spiral structure. Deep within these circular wooden layers, we securely nestle vividly colorful, perfectly pressed autumn leaves. The final piece looks exactly as if bright foliage was naturally swept up and caught perfectly in a beautiful, frozen whirlwind of rustic wood. It is an absolutely enchanting addition to any wall. Capture the gorgeous daylight with our brilliant pressed leaf sun catchers. We take highly vibrant, perfectly preserved leaves and encase them safely within crystal clear botanical resin. This translucent disc is then securely framed by a thick, sturdy twig circle made from reclaimed branches. When hung up, the sunlight shines directly through the resin, vividly illuminating the microscopic internal structures and delicate veins of the leaves. It showcases beautiful plant biology in stunning, radiant high clarity. Next is the highly charming and functional Herbarium twig clipboard art piece. We start with a smooth, flat piece of rich reclaimed wood for the backing. At the top, we fashion an ingenious, working clip mechanism using detailed small twigs and natural rubber bands. This beautiful rustic clipboard allows you to easily hold and rotate a colorful display of seasonal pressed leaves on premium art paper. It is the perfect way to continually update your botanical gallery. Our final project is the breathtakingly simple minimalist branch line art installation. We mount a single, elegantly curved, upcycled wooden branch perfectly horizontally on the wall. From this main branch, we suspend several small, vivid, and colorful pressed leaves using completely invisible fishing line at carefully staggered lengths. The leaves appear to be magically floating in mid-air below the highly textured wood, offering a wonderfully serene, crisp, and clean visual to finish your garden space. That wraps up our 13 beautiful twig and pressed leaf art projects. By simply upcycling natural elements, you can completely transform your bare outdoor walls into a vibrant, sunlit gallery. If you felt inspired by these gorgeous garden crafts, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden for more outdoor inspiration, and let me know in the comments which project was your favorite.